Welcome. Tonight, we go to the ocean. The waves roll in, slow and even, just as they have for 1,000 years. You are standing on an empty beach. The sand is cool. The water is dark and endless. There is nothing to do here but listen. Every wave carries a breath in. Every retreat carries a breath out. The ocean is the oldest rhythm on earth. Let it set your own rhythm tonight. Your body is heavy now. Your thoughts are softening. The waves do not hurry. They have all the time in the world. So do you. There is nowhere to be but here. No problem waiting tomorrow that the ocean cannot hold for you tonight. Close your eyes. Let the waves carry you. Let the tide take your worries out into deeper water. You are exactly where you need to be. Sleep now.